It is such a brilliant idea, man. Like an Airbnb in like South B wako na condom.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play.
So yes guys, I'm in Balozi, and I just wanted to like show you a quick tour of the Airbnb apartment, which is located here in South B area, Balozi. So yeah, let's get there and let me give you a tour of how the place looks and what to expect and all that. So already I have some idea of it, but let's do that. Actually in South B, the other side, kuna Excel apartment and all that. I've even forgotten, is it E19 or you just told me that go. Let me just give you a brief tour of this place, man. And I love this lighting, by the way. I don't know where they got that bulb, but I like how cute it is and all that. Plus inaleta kasi unaona hata mimi nimekuwa light skin. I'm definitely getting this bulb for my place. Yeah. So but this is it. I'm in South B, by the way. Niko South B. The apartment is located in South B, hapa hivi Balozi. I'll put a link, or I'll put, let's say, like a number, so that if you want to come to this place, if you are looking for somewhere penye kuna some peace of mind, if you just like, if you want to be in Nairobi and you want a safe place to stay, you can always call that number below. I'll put it down there. Yeah. So from the like ukitoka kwa mlango mainly, this is the view of how the sitting room looks. It's actually a one-bedroomed house. We have the kitchen, we have the bedroom, the sitting room, and like it's so simple. And we all love simplicity. Like tutaki place iko complicated and all that. And yeah, so this is it. This is how the place looks. Okay, yes, and I love the color. Like, look at that L-shaped. Like, that is which color is that? Is it gray? Yeah, it's gray. And first of all, when you come in, we have the house rules. I'm sorry I had to like take some water because I was kind of dehydrated. We have the house rules. And yeah, we have also a sanitizer, whatever. Tuko na sanitizer hapo hivyo, and then we have the remotes and all that. So yeah, I love that couch, by the way. It looks so nice. I love the yellow pin, a compliment with all that, and it's nice. And then we have the black carpet. From that point, alafu tuko na TV pale hivyo, the sound system. By the way, they do have Wi-Fi over here, so I think uploading this video itakuwa quite much more so easy. So yeah, you'll get free Wi-Fi we have there. And yeah, when you come this side, we have the DVD, the system and all that. If you want to listen to some music, we have the TV. I don't know if it's working, but let us just try and turn it on. It's not powering on. Okay, wacha tujaribu. I think it's supposed to be from here. Wakisha kila kitu. Yeah, then now let's try. The TV looks so nice, by the way. It's the frameless 32-inch TV. Aiwaki. I don't know what happened, but Oh, there it is, man. Like, yeah. I think I love that TV. I love that TV. It's the frameless one. And yeah, you can always get some Netflix, by the way. It's a smart one. You have Netflix over there. And yeah, that is South B for you, South Buhalala. So when you come this side, we have like, first of all, let us check out the toilet, by the way. They have like Majiko. It's hot shower. And yes, look at that. So simple and so easy. Yeah, we have the toilet there. We have some slippers for the guest, which socks. So yeah, that is the bathroom and everything. And we have a sink here, just in case you want to wash your hands. And this is just so perfect. Like we even have water here for the guest. You don't have to sumbukana. And then we have a microwave here. It's a big one, by the way. And ooh, the dispenser. When you come this side now, you are going to the kitchen, of which it's so simple, by the way, and I like it. We all love simplicity, and I wanted a place that is so simple that at least there's no much of a lot of activities going on, but this is so cute. We have the Nini here, kitchen, whatever, and this is what you get. This is exactly what you get here. And this place is so secured, by the way. If you are someone who is looking for somewhere that is secured, somewhere next to town, that is the CBD. And yeah, so we have plates there at least. And down here, we also have some storage whereby we have some cooking pots, we have some spoons, and at least somewhere you can wash. We have inaitwaje those buckets za kuosha, just in case you wanted to clean. And yeah, we have the balcony. If you come this side, we have the balcony, which is also like you can put up a chair here and just relax and all that. Looking at it from this point, we have the view. Yeah, by the way, the weather here is so nice. They are building up also an apartment from this side and all that. Alafu huko chini, we have like whatever they have there. So yeah, let's get back and let me show you where the bedroom is. Oh, by the way, there's a cooker. It's if you want to cook, the gas is fully, niliambiwa iko fully refilled. So we'll be here, and we have a very big fridge up there. Kubwa, by the way. I don't know what's inside. I like these. Okay, inaitwa Mozambique. Okay. We all love Africa. Who doesn't love Africa? It's Samsung by Mac. And yeah, inside up here, we only have like ice cubes. Yeah, well, we only have ice cubes. Okay, just in case unataka ice cubes, ndio hiyo, you have it there. Then down here, the fridge is empty. Most definitely, we are going to have to get some supplies and all that. But I like it. I like even the tiles, they all look fine. You have your oven here and your dustbin right over there. And yeah, guys, this place just looks so fine. Wacha tuwakishe hii light pia. We need more light. Wacha tuwakishe. Cook. By the way, I'm definitely getting that type of a bulb. Like, this is so fine. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So when you come this other side, we have the bedroom. Yeah, and woo, look at that bed, man. Like, we have a repellent that is ile ya kuua mosquito, of which I don't think if there's a lot of mosquitoes here. We also have, I don't know what's that. Oh, okay. I don't know what we have here, but I'm curious to know what is inside. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God, let me just turn my camera this side so that we can talk about this. It is such a brilliant idea, man. Like an Airbnb in like South B, wako na condom just in case. So yeah, I don't have a partner. I'll be here alone, so I don't need that. Not unless I want to. So yeah, this is how the bedroom looks. I love that bed. It's a 5 by 6 bed, which looks so fine. I like the white, everything white. Maze, this is the most peaceful place you can ever find. And by the way, it's not that expensive. Yeah. So on this side, we have more storage where you can put your bags. We have even more storage there. You can put your clothes there. And right here, we have like more storage. We have the towels just in case. Then we have the ironing na tissue hapo hivyo pia iko. And also, yeah, we also have the house rules. Don't forget that. And so, yeah, this is just the best. This is the best. If you're looking for a place to stay in Nairobi and you want somewhere close to town, from here up to town, actually, it can cost you at least 20 Kenyan shillings. That is, let's say, 20 cents US dollars. And yeah, the place is so cool, so amazing. The like kwanza hizo the curtain by the black and white inaendana. The walls are also kind of amazing. Yeah. So yeah, that is a tour of this Airbnb. I love the lighting, by the way. It's so much full of light. The house itself iko na light mingi sana, plus the fact that we have free Wi-Fi. You can always watch some movies. We have Netflix and all that. So yeah, the place is amazing, and I'll be here for the next few days. And yeah, that is the tour. So let me just turn my camera so that we can end this video, as we also do a tour of like a last tour. There it is, the kitchen. It's a 1 bedroom. For those who don't know, we have the toilet there, this side. Then we have the living room, the living area whereby we have the TV. The sound system is so amazing by the way, Jaribu. And I didn't want, because of copyright issues, I didn't want to include that in this, but it's so amazing and it's so wonderful. So yeah, let me just turn my camera this side so that we can end this video. So yes, guys, that is the tour of this beautiful Airbnb, man. Like the place is so amazing. The yani ile breeze, iko na breeze ingine yenye you just feel like you are peaceful, man. So if you want a place to stay, if you're looking for an Airbnb just next to town, from here up to town is ni rahisi. By the way, we have the public means you can always use. We have the Ubers, and it's so cheap. By the way, it's kind of cheap. I think from here, mpaka huko, just like I said, is 20 shillings. That is 20 cents in US dollars. So yeah, I'll leave contact to the owner of this Airbnb down there. If you like it, you can come here. It's located in South B, Balozi. And yeah, that is it for that short tour of this Airbnb, and see you guys in the next one. I'm in Nairobi, and yeah, we are going to explore a lot. Also, we have a lot of things coming up and all that, of which I also can't wait to just share it all with you. And yeah, that is it. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, my name is Robert Aswani, and this is Robert Aswani Travel Vlogs. And we are in Nairobi County, which is our second county. We are doing 22 counties in 2022. And yeah, we were done with Vihiga, and we are in Nairobi now. Yeah, because of some other reasons I'm going to tell you in another video. So that is it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share and like my videos. Thank you so much, and see you guys next time. Bye.